It's a quick workout to get the lymphatic system drained. We have 4 songs, easy to follow. We have about 5 or 6 steps. Come on and join me today. Let's go. Just shift side to side. Shift side to side. Engage the core. Relax the shoulders.
Rebounding with Cheryl.
All right.
Bounce, bounce, feel so well.
Shift. Come on.
Let you tell. Bounce, give it away. Rebounding with Cheryl. Bounce, bounce, nice and light. Feeling stronger day and night.
Just warming up.
Let the flow forever.
Get in the lymphatic system flowing.
Rebounding with Cheryl.
That's just shifting side to side. All right. Ready? Health bounce. Push down with the whole body. Soften the knees.
Here we go. Healthy bounce. Nice and slow.
All right, move your arms.
Head to toe. Let that lymphatic river flow. Step up on the rebounder line. Little bounce feels just right.
Health bounce. Now lift heels
Feel that smile.
and use your arms up and down.
Gentle motion starts to grow. Healthy fluids flow. Cell the body knows how the healing movement goes. Bounce it up, bounce it slow.
Now push down.
River flow. Clap your hands to feel the beat. Healthy rhythm in your feet. Bounce it up, bounce with grace. Feel the glow all through your space. Every bounce helps you renew.
And back up.
This is something you can do. No big jumps are needed.
That's right.
Just a bounce with feet.
And push down again.
Like rebounding every day. Helps the toxins move.
And walk.
Wake the body, lift the heart.
Arms out. Circle.
Circulation starts to rise. See that sparkle in your eyes. Bounce it up, bounce it slow. Let that lymphatic river flow.
Other side. Backwards.
Feel the motion healing me. Bounce it up, bounce with cheer. All the energy every year. Healthy flow from head to toe.
Now up and down.
Lymphatic river flows. Nice and light. Feels like a day and night. Little movement.
Pushing down on the mat
Healing happens with
with the whole foot.
bounce it out. Nice and slow. Let that lymphatic river flow.
Now, shake that out. Just little steps here. All right, let's go. Next song. Narrow bounce and wide bounce. Push with the arms. Squeeze the inner thighs.
Tiny lips don't rush the pace. Feel that smile on your face. Gentle
Working the pelvic floor muscles too. Now out, wide. If you're not bouncing, if you're just beginning, you're gonna go and out and in like this. Okay? But if you can do the wide bounce, now back to narrow and push out. And up. Basic bounce now. Finish this song with a basic bounce. Yes, drain the lymphatic system, get the toxins out, any bacteria, disease, get it out. All right, shake that out. Last song. Step side to side. And swing your arms. Go start slow. And then we'll pick it up. Now, bounce if you can. Double. Now walk, athletic arms. Finish with a joyful jump. Yay! Thank you so much for joining me today. And that's it for the lymphatic system workout. Now, if you want, you can do the lymphatic pat. I do have that in one of my videos where you can do the lymphatic pat. That also helps drain the toxins. But until next time, God bless you. We'll see you next week. Bye.